welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now when we talk about protecting your asset like your BMW, or technically any high valuable asset like a car that you may drive, you know, a dash cam truly is a great investment. You know, since I am in my temporary location right here, parking on the street, it's not the best of my situation until I get my new garage. You know, my car is sitting on the street, therefore anyone could back into it, anyone could, you know, vandalize it, whatever be the case, it truly can happen. Now, out driving, I can't tell you how many times I either get cut off or almost get hit by someone else that's not my fault. You know, I never had a dash cam and I always wanted to get one, but there was just so many options out there, I didn't know which one to truly get. After searching long and hard, we found the one that I like the most as far as reviews go and options on it, because technically when you think about the price of a dash cam, you know, it's going to come up as far as, you know, features, what else does it offer, picture quality, all that. And the last thing that you want is to have a crappy video quality, especially at the time of an accident, you know, when you're out driving. So what I landed on is the Vantrue N2 Pro. So the other piece that you're going to get in this video is I'm going to show you how to install it. And then I'm also going to show you what it's like with it recording. So I'm going to show you that video footage as well. So it's all in one package. You'll see the details of it, see all the specs, see me put it in my BMW, see me drive around. So that way you can see the great quality and the other cool different features. So after all my feedback back to Vantrue as far as how I liked this dash cam, they're going to give you 20% off of your order. That's going to save you 40 bucks on this dash cam. Direct link is in the description box below. So if you guys are in the need of a dash cam, you're out driving around a lot, you want to protect your investment, this one is a great one, and I think you will definitely be pleased with it. To be able to use the coupon code, you're going to want to add it to your cart, and then when you see coupon at the very last step before checkout, use that coupon code that I have in my description box down below, so that way you guys can get that 20% off. The price isn't adjusted when you click on it, so you have to put that coupon code in there to be able to have that savings that they are presenting off to you guys. So let's head on over to my car. We'll go ahead and install it, put it in, and show you all the other great features that are around it. Here's some unboxing of the Vantrue N2 Pro that you have right here. Great options, as you can read right there, all the many great picture quality, 1080p front and 1080p rear facing camera. That makes it nice. Built-in suction cup that it has comes with it. Coming out of the packaging, you know, when I just like things that are just packaged very nicely, as you can see here. So you have some quick, easy instructions. You have your normal one. This is kind of more so your user guide that you'll go through and read and make sure that you understand everything. Next, you're going to have your quick guide, so that way you can understand your product, know what you're doing, and these are some quick setup options that you need to make sure to do, charging it, change your resolutions, all that makes it nice as far as the quick start goes. You have a lot of other cool little things as far as if you capture certain things you can share with them, which makes it nice. Follow them on Facebook and all their other many platforms that they have. You know, if you have any issues, whatever be the case, plenty of information that you can read and reach out to them. Down below, you're going to pull out the camera itself, undo it out of the plastic sleeve. This will protect the camera and, of course, what you see here. Next, you'll want to make sure you have a micro SD card, so that way you can put in there to save all your memory. It can do 16 or 32 gigabyte. If you do have a 64 gigabyte, you'll have to format it, but all the instructions on how to do that are in the instruction manual. So when you have it down below, now I already did take this out, so this was neatly packaged when I first got it, but coming out, that's so you can charge it. It's going to come with its attachment to attach it to the window, which makes it nice. And then you're going to have your long cigarette adapter. Installation was a breeze, just taking it right out of the box, just like what you saw before when I did the unboxing. Take all the instruction stuff up, take out the camera, so that way you have that, and then get the suction mount. And what you're going to do is you're going to attach it to the camera. There's a little slot. It's going to slide right on, very easy, and then this way you can position it on your front windshield. So once you do that, you're going to turn that little tab right there.
just turn it to the right. It's going to lock it, so you have a lock, and then of course an unlock if you want to take it off. Strong suction on there, which is nice with those. I started running up the power cord, so this will plug to the cigarette lighter. I ran it up through the mirror that you can see right there, and then later started taking it through the top of the headliner, so that way I can take it down the door. So here I'm just fishing it through the headliner just to cover the exposed wire, so that way I can make it to the door piece and then run it all the way down. Production. Next, I'm going to fish it down on the side of my dash. There was the open little spot, that way I could go through and do that just to help with those exposed wires, which would be able to fish them down underneath. I did need to get a T20 Torx, so that way I can undo the bottom panel to run it across where your feet would be. That I had to do, so that way I didn't have any exposed wires there. Alright, so I'm running it just like that, so I can plug it in to the cigarette lighter. I'm going to put my Torx back in. Torque bits, runs up the side, all along the headliner, and then all the way out. So this is the aftermath. Here I have it mounted right underneath the rear view mirror, so that way, since it has the rear facing camera, I want to be able to pick up video images, of course, like that, and have a good front view camera. Comes out right here. I need to get this more flush. But then comes all the way down the side, wrapped under there, underneath the tray, all the way around, and then out right here, so it can be powered. Here's some footage of the Vantrue N2 Pro. What I like the most as far as the picture quality, the audio is really great as well, so nothing wrong there. 1080p front-facing camera and 1080p rear-facing camera, which is nice to be able to track movement and motion sensors when in park mode, like if you're going to the store, like where I am going here right now. But clear, crisp audio quality. Great picture, great functions with it. Being new to the whole dash cam thing, this has definitely grown on me, and I truly like this one a lot.
Well guys, there you have it, the review on the Vantrue N2 Pro. The biggest thing that I like about this dash cam is the reverse facing camera. So that way, if something happens to you, someone rear ends you, sideswipes you, or whatever, you get a video of that. A lot of dash cams are only front facing, therefore if they hit you in the front, then you're covered there. But anything happening in the car, so as far as all the different features with park mode, or if someone vandalizes your car, breaks into your car, whatever be the case, you'll be set with this one. Picture quality is great, all the other features that come with this. Tons of other great features on this dash cam right here. Everything else in it, well-rounded package as far as all inside and out, clear instructions for you guys, so that way it's easy for you, perfect setup, and I'm actually truly pleased. So even though I will be in a garage here before you know it at my new house, I'm going to enjoy having a dash cam when I'm out driving, just because of all the different bad luck that I seem to have as far as when I'm driving my BMW 335i. Well guys, like I mentioned, 20% off coupon in the description box below. That's a $40 off your order. Link is right below that coupon code. You must enter that coupon code at the very end of your checkout, so that way you can get that $40 off. Thanks for stopping in. Truly appreciate it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Looking forward to the more DIYs coming this week. Take care.